Hi, Glenn here from GMT Pointing Specialists Limited. Please feel free to subscribe, hit the notification button and share please. Right, this video's on doing samples, different samples to put in the wall, but this is just one using Boris sand. So if I'm doing a sample, what I won't do is get my trowel and do like 1, 2, 3 and then one line. I won't do that. What I'll do is I'll get a small cup, so each mix is exactly the same, and then I'll do one line. So never use a trowel because it's not accurate. Always use, a small cup. If I'm doing stonework, I might do little samples in this, or get a tub half the size and do a sample like that, or I'll just do 6 of these sand and 2 lime. So going through to a lime, I'm using St Astia NHL 3.5. It's a very good quality lime. Always use a good quality NHL. But when you finish with your lime at the end of the day, wrap your bag up so it's nice and tight, so there's no air getting to it. So I'll do samples that way every time, so it's accurate. And with samples, always keep them damp for 2 or 3 days, because the amount of people that say to me, "Oh, it's gone white in the morning," it's because you've let it dry out. It's not the colour we picked. It's gone white because it's dried out. It'll eventually go back to this colour. This is a brown sand. We get brown sand in North Wales, but I use about 4 different types of brown sand. But I hope that helps. Thank you.